Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest, and in this video we have again small little puzzle, white to play and checkmate the black king in 3 moves. Pause the video if you want to try. Welcome back. As you read the title of this video, you probably know that this puzzle has 2 solutions. One is, the normal ones, and the second solution is, unique or unusual. So in this position, moving either our rook doesn't really achieve anything, because let's say you will move this rook to a4, rook a to a4, and in this position black can just go here, like they can get away from the corner to the center, so basically avoid 3-move checkmate. And from this position there is no direct threat to the black king that can check that result in checkmate in the next move. So in this position, let's say you play rook to c4, rook 4 to c4, rook a to c4, and black can just go to king to b3, and the next move is not a checkmate, obviously. So that's not the solution. Okay. What else? What else? If we move this rook, for example, rook to d3, and this is obviously not a solution, because again the black king can just shy away or go away from the corner of the board. So this is not a solution, and whatever you do in this position, you will not checkmate the black king in 3 moves. I think we already talked about these 2 rook, and obviously you don't want to move this rook to d2, for example, because again the black king will move away from the corner of the board, and you will try to go to the center of the board to avoid getting checkmated quickly. So the only pieces that we haven't talked about is the king, and you probably already know the answer is to move our king to d2, because this from this square you can basically control the black king, right? So in this position, the black king only has one move, which is king to b2. If let's say you decided to move your king to d1, for example, and the black king can just move to c3, and from this position there is no way you can checkmate the black king in the next 2 moves. If you don't believe me, you can try, right? And this is already the 3rd move for black, and the next move is for us, for white, is the 4th move. So that's not the solution. So the solution is king to d2, and this is the solution. This is the first solution. Black can only move their king to b2, so we go here, and the next move that we have to find is rook to a4, because in this position, this position is black's turn, so black cannot go to either c3 or c2 or c1, because it's been blocked by our king. So in this position, no matter what black do, either to king b1 or king b3, the solution is still the same, rook to b4. And this is the first solution for this puzzle. Okay, the next solution, or the second solution for this puzzle, is it's, believe it or not, and I believe if you play chess for a long time, you already saw it from the get-go, is to castle queenside or long castle. And this is also the solution for this puzzle, because in the next move, let's say you move your if the black decided to go to c3, for example, and this is basically like instant checkmate in 2 move, but obviously we don't expect our opponent to play badly, so we have to find a better move for black. So in this position, black will play, like say, king to a2. If this is if black plays king to a2, and we have to play rook to d3, rook 1 to d3, and as you can see, black has only one square to go, which is king to a1, and in this position, either rook 4 to a4 or rook to a4 or rook to a3 will result in checkmate. So if black decided to go to king to a3, again same thing, because we can go to rook 1 to d3, and from this position we have to move our fourth rook. We have to move this specific rook, because if we move this rook to check, obviously the black king can just take our rook. So from this position, after black decided to go to a2, we can move our rook from d4 to a4. And as you can see, this is a checkmate. I click the black king, and the black king doesn't have any legal square to go. So yeah, fun little puzzle with two different solution. And I believe you found the first solution, because the first solution is I don't know, like more intuitive, I would say. The second solution is a bit, it's a bit like who thought that the solution is to castle queen side. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy my explanation for this unique puzzle, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.